So I personally believe you must have a dream. Say, I must have a dream.
So a dream.
I must continuously acquire knowledge. Continuously acquire knowledge.
I must continuously acquire knowledge,
Hard work. Hard work
hard work,
and perseverance.
and perseverance.
One should not be not afraid of problems.
Not afraid of problems.
Then you will be successful. Okay? History has proven that those who dare to imagine the impossible are the ones who break all the human limitations. In every field of human endeavor, whether science, medicine, sports, art or technology, the names of the people, just now I listed some of the names of the people who imagine the impossible are engraved in our history. By breaking the limits of their imagination, they change the world. You take C.V. Raman, you take Newton, you take Einstein, you take Chandrasekhar. By breaking the limits of their imagination, they change the world. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great.
You have many accomplishments. You've written books. You served as president. You're an aerospace engineer. You've been a professor. But you say the title you like best is the title of teacher. Why is that?
You know, I had a teacher when I was a young boy, 10 years boy. Wartime, the Second World War going on. At that time, I used to see
awooday ma tahay arday doonaya barashada IT-ga iyadoo aad ku baranayso muddo kooban.
haddii aad tahay arday daneynaya barashada kombiyuutarka laabka iyo ku hadalka luqadaha Ingiriiska Heritage Academic waxa uu ku hayaa koorsooyinka kala ah
Active Director the Human Service Computer Communication Networking American English.
koorsooyinkaasi waxa ay soconayaan muddo dhan 3 bilood. halkan waa Heritage Academic sida aad u jeedaan systemka cusub ee sanadkan ayaa halkan ku yaala waad u jeedaan goobta aan fadhiyo sida ay u qurxan tahay adiga kaliya ayaa ku raaxaysanaya kombiyuutarkaada. Heritage Academic waa academic diyaarinaya arday khibradooda aad loo diyaarinayo. sidoo kale iskuulka waxa uu diyaar ku leeyahay practical joogto ah oo loogu talagalay ardayda baranaysa koorsooyinka aan kor ku soo xusnay.
isdiiwaangelinta iskuulka Heritage Academic waxa ay bilaabanaysaa 22 bisha 8aad sanada 2021 waxayna ku eg tahay 5 bisha 9aad sanada 2021. Heritage Academic waxa uu ku yaalaa degmada Hodan gaar ahaan agagaarka Laanta Axmed Gurey. wixii faahfaahin dheeraad ah fadlan kala xiriir lambarada shaashada kaaga muuqda.
my class, 5th class teacher, a science teacher. His name is Subramania here. He entered the classroom and we used to see the radiation of knowledge from him. When he enters the classroom, my teacher, I see radiation of purity of life. And the way he taught, my dream has got shaped. What should be my way of life? He is the person, the teacher gave me the vision of my life when I was a young fellow. Now a teacher has got a fantastic opportunity to grow minds, to enrich the minds, and to give the dreams to the young people, and to nurture the dreams with them, and they will become great human beings. Sometime they will become better than you, but better than the teacher. So that opportunity to have. Every action of the leader should be transparent. You know what I mean? The leader should work with integrity and succeed with integrity. Leader should work with integrity and succeed with integrity. And I believe President, since you asked the question, has to be continuously in touch with the people. Rashtrapati Bhavan, where I was there, became a people's Bhavan. So Rashtrapati Bhavan, it becomes people's Bhavan. And also I travel into the whole state, cutting across hill, deserts and sea. I was in touch with millions of people. As we say in India, Where there is righteousness in the heart, where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home,